NPEs are, as you mentioned, non-practicing entities. Essentially, it's a company often created as a shell company, in many cases only days before litigation might be started or demand letters might be sent. The shell company ultimately ends up owning the patent, but the company doesn't do anything. So the company doesn't make anything. It doesn't produce anything. It doesn't do all those things. It's an entity designed for the monetization of the patent that has been put into that entity. The company, the new LLC, will own the patent, and that only function for that company is to monetize that patent, often through litigation. And so since it doesn't do anything, it is considered non-practicing. The reason that is important is because, as I was kind of talking about, people develop patent portfolios because there's a sense of mutual assured destruction. If one large company has a big patent portfolio and they're sued by another company, well, that patent portfolio can be used to countersue the other one back. And so many companies have large overlapping patent portfolios as an important strategy to protecting themselves and defending themselves against litigation. But when it comes to NPEs or patent trolls, sometimes patent trolls would be like the pejorative term for NPEs.
Yes, very much.
So yeah, ultimately the point is that they don't make anything, and therefore they can't be countersued. So they are not susceptible to the same kind of defenses that a company that's built its own patent portfolio, has invested in its own technology, has received patents that cover its products and services. And when that company is sued by an NPE, all of that investment is essentially, not worthless, but it is not effective as a counter strategy to sue the NPE. As such, that NPE has a bit of a strategic advantage over the company in litigation because the costs of discovery are basically none on the NPE because there's nothing to turn over in discovery. The costs are kind of like all intensely borne by the defending company that has been accused of patent infringement.